Good day everyone, I am Lorraine Ranza and we are Group 2. Today we are proud to present our final project for Computer Programming 2 entitled Project Sync, a unified tool for efficient construction management. Project Sync is a Python-based console application designed to simulate how construction projects are managed in real-life settings. The system integrates three major areas of construction management, mainly the scheduling, resource management, and project personnel management, all combined in one interactive program. As civil engineering students, we designed the system to reflect actual site operations, where engineers and workers need to track timelines, monitor materials, and organize manpower efficiently. This program uses Python functions, loops, conditional statements, pandas and numpy for data handling, matplotlib for visualization, and file exporting to CSV and Excel, making it both practical and technically comprehensive. To explain how the system is structured and how the code works, I will now pass the explanation to my groupmate Carlos Manangsong.
Thanks, Lorraine. Now moving on with the structure and purpose of the codes. Our program is built using modular programming, meaning each feature of the system is written and defined as a function. This makes the program organized, readable, and easy to maintain. At the top of the code, we imported essential Python libraries such as NumPy and Pandas for data handling and storage. Matplotlib for visual data representation like charts. The system begins with the main function serving as the central controller of the entire program. It displays the main menu, where the user can choose between schedule management, resource management, project personnel, and exit. Each menu option calls a specific function handling each feature, ensuring smooth program flow through loops and conditional statements. For the schedule management menu, we utilize pandas data frames to store tasks, timelines, importance, and status. Users can add, update, and visualize timelines using Gantt chart, view task completion through a pie chart, and export data to CSV or Excel. The research management menu focuses on construction materials. It tracks required quantities, on-site stock, delivery dates, suppliers, and daily usage. The system automatically evaluates whether materials are balanced, overstocked, or urgently needed. Lastly, the project personnel menu manages manpower data by allowing users to add, edit, remove, view, and export personal records. This simulates workforce organization in a construction site. Overall, the combination of functions, loops, validation, data frames, and exporting features demonstrates how Python can be used to build a complete and realistic construction management system. Now, we will demonstrate the system as if we were workers in an actual construction project.
Hi, I am Daniel Aguilar and I will be acting as worker 1 on the construction site. Today, I am using the schedule management menu, which helps us plan and monitor project activities. In this section, we can add construction tasks, define their timelines, specify their importance, and update their current status. Now, the system allows us to view all tasks in a table format, visualize the project timeline using a Gantt chart, and check overall progress using the status pie chart. After entering all 4 construction tasks into the system, I proceeded to option number 2, which is the view task table. Here, the program displayed all 4 inputs in a clear table format showing the task names, durations, priorities, and current status. This allows workers and managers to quickly review all scheduled activities in one organized view. Next, I selected option number 3, which is the view timeline, which generated a Gantt chart. This timeline helped me visually compare how long each task will take on the construction site. As shown in the chart, the framing task, which involves erecting walls, floors, and roofs, has the longest duration at 100 days. Following that is excavation and foundation at 75 days, pre-construction activities such as design and permits at 50 days, and finally, site preparation, which has the shortest duration of 25 days. This visualization makes it easier to understand task sequencing and identify which activities require more time and resources. After that, I selected option number 4 to view the status, where the system displayed a pie chart representing the current progress of the task. Initially, 50% of the tasks were marked as not started, while 25% were in the progress and 25% were completed. This gives an immediate overview of the project's progress. Now, to demonstrate progress tracking, I then chose option number 5 to update the task status. The system prompted me to select one of the 4 tasks, and I updated task 4, which is the framing, by changing its status from not started to in progress. When I returned to option number 4 to view the status, the pie chart automatically reflected this update, showing that the task progress had changed in real time. Lastly, the system also allows us to export all tasks to either CSV or Excel format. I selected Excel and the file was automatically generated, and make it easy to store, share, or print the project schedule for documentation purposes. Once all tasks were reviewed and updated, I selected option number 7 to exit the schedule management menu, completing my demonstration for this section. This feature helps us ensure that all construction tasks are completed on time and that delays are easily identified. Thank you. Now we'll move on to the next menu, which will be demonstrated by Mr. Erich Clarence Tabor.
Hi, I am Erich Clarence Tabor, and I will be acting as worker 2 on the construction site. I am using the resource management menu, which focuses on construction materials and resources. This part of the systems allows us to input materials, track required quantities, monitor on-site stock, record suppliers and delivery dates, and estimate how long materials will last based on daily usage. As you can see, the system automatically identifies material shortages, overstock, and urgent delivery needs, helping prevent delays in construction.
As you can see on the screen, the console is displaying the resource management table. The table organizes the data into columns, showing the material name, required quantity, on-site quantity, supplier, delivery date, days to delivery, daily use, days to depletion, and also status. Steel is showing a shortage, while cement is showing as overstock. Hollow blocks are listed as balance, and lumber is marked as urgent. Below this table, the program has calculated the average days to depletion, which is currently 7.20 days, and also the average shortage and excess, which is 20. And finally, at the very bottom, you can see the input prompt waiting for a command to add, edit, or remove a material.
With this menu, resource planning and inventory control become more efficient and organized. Thank you. Now, let us move forward with the last menu to be explained and demonstrated by Miss Lady Alona Masangkay.
Hi, I am Lady Alona Masangkay and I will be acting as Worker 3 on the construction side. I am using the Project Personnel menu, which manage the workers assigned to their project. In this section, we can add personnel, edit their positions, remove or mark roles as vacant, and view the complete personnel overview. We added a new worker to the project. The system stores the name and the position in a table. If a position change, we can update it immediately without deleting the record. If a worker leaves the project, we can remove and mark their role as vacant. This helps track manpower accurately. This shows the complete list of workers and their position, giving an overview of the current manpower. We can export records for documentation and reporting purposes. As you can see, this program allows exporting personnel records to CSV or Excel, which is useful for documentation and reporting. These features ensure proper manpower organization and accountability within the construction project.
Overall, Project Sync demonstrates how Python programming can be applied to real-world civil engineering management by integrating scheduling, resource tracking, and personnel management into one console-based system. We were able to simulate actual construction site operations while applying essential programming concepts. Thank you very much for listening, and we hope you enjoyed our presentation.